Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Zenphi's conditional run feature to run your flow only if certain conditions are met. To demonstrate this, I've got a very simple flow. The flow monitors a folder in our Google Drive here. When files are added to this folder, this flow runs, and I just do a simple log to history. Now, first, let's run the flow. I've already published the flow. Let me upload a few files here. Um, I'm gonna upload a SVG file and a PDF file, maybe three PDF files. I'm gonna upload them here. Wait for them to get uploaded. They're getting uploaded. PDF file and all of them are uploaded. Now, if I go back to Zenphi, let's go to the flows and conditional run. Here we see these are the files which just got uploaded. Um, this is the SVG file, and we've got two more PDF files which got uploaded as well. This is the PDF file. Now, imagine based on certain scenario, based on requirements that you've got, you may want to only run this flow if the file type is PDF. So it's quite easy. You come here, you click on the trigger, you click on the conditional run, enable the conditional run, and using Zenphi's condition builder, you can specify one or more conditions. So let me select here. I want to say only run this flow if the file extension is PDF. So don't run it if it's not PDF, if it's SVG. Please note that you can add one or more conditions based on your requirements. For example, you can go and select different different properties and filter based on those properties. Um, for our case, we keep it simple. Just want to say only run it if the uploaded file is a PDF file. I'm gonna publish this one more time. Let me go delete these ones. Now go back here, upload files. So upload a PDF file first, and let's go back to our recent runs. And as you can see, this one is ran, and this is a PDF file. Now let me go back here. I'm gonna go this time. I'm gonna go and upload the SVG. This one should not run the flow and should come as a status skipped. Let's go back here. Let's refresh, and as you can see, it's marked as a skip. It did not run the flow. If I go in here, we don't see anything. So it's really useful for the situations where you're monitoring an email, an inbox, or a folder, or HTTP trigger, and you only want to run your flow based on certain conditions. So yeah, hopefully this feature is going to help you to operate even more efficiently and effectively. And please don't forget to share your feedback and comments with us on feedback.zenphi.com or send us an email to support@zenphi.com. Thank you very much.